Hello, J&M Reviews here, and today I am happy to review this free sample provided by Primal Harvest. So it is 30 sticks. Mine are, they are electrolytes, they are sugar-free, and they are lemon berry flavors. So this is how they look. So one of this is good for 8 to 16 ounces of water. I like them also because they have all these vitamins here, and they are great after working out, even while working out. This is going to encourage hydration. And just to demonstrate it here, this is how it looks. So all I want to do is open the package and put it in water. As you can see here, it's a little bit pink, and all you have to do is mix and enjoy. It tastes delicious. It tastes just like lemon berry. And I like that it doesn't have any sugar and it has all these vitamins. So I hope you enjoy it and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching.